Yo guys, it's time to get real about these Air Jordan 4 Undefeateds. And after this second chance we do get on the Nike Snkrs app, depending on how that release even goes, it's going to be a regular drop. It's going to be like one of those, shot drops where they put a link on Undefeated site or some crazy stuff. We don't even know how the release is going to go. But after that second shot on the Snkrs app, bro, who's to tell when the next time we're going to be getting these Undefeated 4s? So it's time to get real, time to chop it up about it in today's video, man. Let's get right into it. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another one from your boy, The Vintage, man. It's always greatly appreciated. You guys come pull up, come see what your boy The Vintage is talking about and what I just been thinking about over the last couple days for these Air Jordan 4 Undefeateds, man. If you guys are new here to the channel, you're already rocking out with the vibes, I need you guys go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and make sure you guys run them likes up. You guys know, man, YouTube love when you guys hit that like button. It shows YouTube you guys are actually enjoying the content, and that'll be greatly appreciated. But if you don't want to subscribe, hit that like button, man. It goes a long way. And of course, you can find all my social media links down below in the description box. All right, guys, so we just got the, online raffle for the Air Jordan 4 Undefeated. They did the in-store raffle the next couple days, and then of course yesterday we got the online release on Undefeated's website. You guys know that thing was cooked. It was totally cooked, and almost seems like they should just did everything on EQL to make it, all around just a fair drop, but they did not do that at all. You guys seen people wait times like an hour plus. You guys seen people couldn't even get through the capture, to click the little photos or answer the question. You couldn't get through it. And me, myself, personally, I didn't even see the sneakers on the website till way after the drop. I was so lost. Like, yo, what is going on? There was like a separate link you had to click. I don't know. All I know is I got my pair on the online raffle, so I'm gonna take that, and I'm gonna run with it. I'm saying? I'm glad I got my pair. I'm glad I got my W, so I'm not gonna do too much, harping and complaining. But of course, you guys know, you come to the comment section. You guys let me know how your release is going, and I kind of just put everything together to kind of, chop it about certain releases. And this is probably the hottest release in a while. Since the brick by brick Air Jordan 4, this is the hottest release since then, in my honest opinion. And it just seems like this release is coming real quick, and they're gonna go just like that, which leads me into my next topic on this shoe. Is we ain't gonna see these again for probably another 20-25 years, just based off what happened with the original drop, and we just now getting them here in 2025. So that's why I keep telling people, bro, this second shot that we do get on Nike Snkrs app, hopefully just a regular, draw to make it a little bit more fair. I know that people did not like the drop for the Eric Costin or the, the navy blue SBs when they did drop it on his Instagram. And the same thing for the Air Jordan 1 Union to LA's, where he did like a exclusive access drop, which was like, yo, why y'all doing that? Just give us a regular drop. And we don't know how Nike is doing this drop on the 28th. That dates keep, getting thrown around there. I don't know how true the stock numbers are. I'm hearing like 200-some thousand pairs. And I honestly, I'm gonna take that with a grain of salt, bro. I'm taking it with a grain of salt. And I think that this release is going to be very crazy, bro. Just look at the brick by bricks. Look what happened to those. They dropped for a little bit, and the next thing you know, they shot back up. And this is the last time we're gonna get these Air Jordan 4 Undefeateds for a very long time. So I was like, yo, if I really want to double up, should I get my pair now, or should I wait till the drop day? Is it a lot of pairs? Is the resale value gonna keep going down? I honestly don't know, just given the fact that, bro, we're not gonna see these undefeated Air Jordan 4s for a very long time. And I think the resellers in the back, like, yo, I can't wait till after this Snkrs app drop, just so we can, hold these pairs for a while and just watch the resale start to increase, because the price is going to start shooting up, I personally think, after the Nike Snkrs app drop. You know what I'm saying? Once pairs get, distributed, I think the pairs going to start shooting up first week of September. So like I said, I'm in that gray area. Like, bro, do I pay resale now for my double up? Because I do really want two pairs. The pair I'm getting, the first one, going straight on feet. It would be nice to have another pair on ice for, a long time to come, or even a rainy day. You can see that, that pair having a huge or high monetary value in the next couple of years, is based off of what happened to the OGs. So I need you guys to help me down below in the comment section, man. Let me know what you are thinking. Is the price going to keep dropping, or is it going to continue to go up and everybody just kind of banking on that 200,000 pair stock on the Nike sneakers app, which I wouldn't even really think too much into that, because like I said, if you take an L on sneakers, bro, that's it. It's ripped. Like, that is, it's over with, bro. You already know we're not gonna get no restocks or no crazy, you know, shock drops after the fact, or Jordan Reserve for Undefeated 4. It just ain't happening, bro. So if you don't get them on the 28th, just anticipate that the price is shooting up, bro. I don't see them going down too low, and I think that once we get, you know, closer to the 28th or the Nike sneakers app drop, whenever that is, I think we might see pairs sitting around like, you know, low 500s, maybe high 4s, but I don't see it go any lower than that. And after the drop, bro, hey, you can kiss that goodbye, bro. So I'm checking out my pair right now on the Goat app, and yeah, bro, the pairs are sitting around 530 bucks. I think the highest is at 10.5, or actually 11.5. Oh shit, 12.5, going for $905, bro. So especially the bigger sizes, bro. After the 28th, I'm telling you, me personally, this is just me personally, if I did not have a pair as of right now, I think middle of August, you know, or right before the drop of the sneakers app is when we're gonna see the lowest prices on the Undefeated 4s. This is me personally, and I would be like, yo, I might need to go ahead and snag them joints. I did that a couple times in the past for certain, you know, high value sneakers. I'm like, yo, is it gonna drop? It's gonna, you know, shoot up. You know, you're right in that gray area. So sometimes I just go ahead and pull the trigger, because the prices could just shoot up and skyrocket out of nowhere. Like I said, me personally, bro, take everything away from it, bro. This is me. Middle August, a little bit closer to release, bro. I think I'll pay resale just to be, you know, play it safe, because again, it's only gonna shoot up at the end of the day. So again, man, you guys let me know down below in the comment section what you're thinking for these Undefeated 4s. It's a weird one, bro. And I know everybody like, yo, do I pay resale now or should I wait? We do have a second chance, so you can, you know, put all your eggs in one basket if you want, but just you gotta play and put in consideration, you might have to pay to actually play with these Undefeated 4s, man. I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Make sure you guys subscribe right now to the channel. Run them likes up for your boy The Vintage. Comment down below. Let me just think about these Undefeated 4s. Hey, we just getting started. We got a whole nother, what, 2-3 weeks before the sneakers app drop. I can't wait to see what happens. I'm gonna keep a close eye on our resale value, because I definitely want a double up, man. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. With all that being said, man, your boy The Vintage. Gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.